Do you know that asthma could be considered a disability? Mr. Durbin has successfully sued Marks and Spencer's for disability discrimination. It wasn't in relation to his asthma, but as part of the hearing, they did have to ascertain whether asthma constituted being a disability or not. And they actually found that in this particular instance, it did. So let's get into it. I use ACAS's definition because if you need any help, you should be going to ACAS. Put everything in just plain English. So a disability is an impairment that has a substantial and long-term adverse effect on somebody's ability to carry out normal day-to-day activities. In this instance, Mr. Durbin has been asthmatic since he was 5 and he's now 29. As part of the hearing, he said that without his asthma medication, he would not be able to carry out his day-to-day activities. So Mr. Durbin said he would struggle with day-to-day activities without his inhalers because otherwise he would feel very tight-chested, wheezy, and he would struggle to breathe. He regularly took his inhalers and he also carried around a inhaler day to day. And fundamentally, he considered that without his asthma medication, he would not be here. If you are struggling with your employer to take something that you have seriously and you consider it to be a disability, this is a really good case to go and look at the detail and look through what he talks through, how that then impacts his ability to do his day-to-day activities, and how then the tribunal have ruled that this is a disability. Typically, asthma wouldn't be considered a disability, but because of the substantial impacts that it had on his life and how he was able to talk through how regularly he takes his medication, what he does, the impact that it has on his life, he passed the test. So you really do never know. Anything is possible.